Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Katanat PULIT jong Jela Meghalaya kalau yok biang sa shispa san pesan ngut ki PULIT constable ki badang PYNDEP ya ke JINGSHAH HIKAI ha ke jaka ai jing HIKAI ke badon ha ke 4th MLP Indian Reserve Battalion Sokpian ki ba kentup ya shispa arngut ki recruit constable jong MPRO bat san pulai ngut ki recruit constable jong MFPS. Ya kani la sakhiru ha ka passing out parade jong ki shispa san pesan ngut ki recruit constable jong batch ke bahnyo ke balalong ha ka tei ke jaka ai jing HIKAI ha Sokpian West Sales District ha ka ba uba AR Mauto IPS Deputy Inspector General of Police Training Meghalaya ulalong kumu kongsan bat shimru ya ke benta pan ai khublei ya ki tei ki shispa san pesan ngut ki PULIT Ukongsan hakani kesni ula ong ba yakini ki recruit constable la depan ai ke jing HIKAI ke bakarpang hak baye dei bat kumno ban bat ya ki tiar yale bat penon kami ki ban le yakun persya ya ki runar la ngi nongshun ban perlong ya ke jing khanra bat kumjuru halor ki an ki kanun hakate kesni la idon langru superintendent of police ka West Hills district uba BJ lalu uba long hakaju ko por kumu in charge commandant jong 4th MLP IRBN Sokpian ki he PULIT jong jela ki bahayeng hasam jong ki tei ki PULIT ki bala PYNDEP ya katai ki JINGSHAH HIKAI bat ki wei ki bala syakot sngobha nakaliang jong kongsan ula yo ru ban sam ya ka khusnam sha ki PULIT ki batbet tam ha katai ki JINGSHAH PYNDEP jong ki bat kini ki kentup yo Joel G Moment ubala yo ya ka nam best in drill hakaliang ki shinrang bat kata chiama ke sangma hakaliang ki kentai u recruit constable Dhrubo R Marak ula yo ya ka nam best in firing u recruit constable Novokanto Hajong kumu all-rounder best bat QA.
After completion of nearly 1 year of basic training, the recruits were trained in physical fitness, drill, weapon handling, fieldcraft, human rights, search and rescue during disaster, first aid, basics of communication, and aspects of law, etc. Recruits have benefited considerably from the training center and must have undergone rigorous training under the watchful eyes of the instructors who are thorough professionals. You will definitely feel a sense of pride and accomplishment after successfully completing your basic course. I'm sure you are now mentally and physically prepared to face the challenges that you will encounter in your service life. It will be the most memorable moment in your career. Fire and emergency service and NPRO are the technical branches of the Meghalaya Police Department, and from here on, you'll have to undergo various training programs to enhance your knowledge and skill.
The 4th MLP, which is also the 2nd IRBN, was raised on the 28th of February 2002 with its headquarters at Sokpian, Mumbai. The training center of the 4th MLP has been imparting training successfully since the year 2006. The trainees who have passed out from this training center are discharging their lawful duties successfully and have shown tremendous skill in various assignments when pressed into service for the Meghalaya Police in general and the state of Meghalaya as a whole.
Iman, Asya Dixon Fredman, Salam Fred, Recruit Constable, School Milakan, Extra Patman, Asya Dixon Fredman, Asya Smart.
There are 88 males, 14 females of both the Meghalaya Police Radio Organization and the Meghalaya Fire and Emergency Service 55.
Constable. Of the common man lies in your hands.